Now, let us start with the next part of the chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers. Today we will talk about the structure of functional group and their chemical properties. This is the structure of alcohol. Here we have taken the example of methanol and this is phenol. This is the OH group. This is attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. Oxygen is also sp3 hybridized. We know that. Here also this oxygen is sp3 hybridized. So this angle should be tetrahedral angle, and yes, it is approximately that of tetrahedral angle. This sp3 orbital and this sp3 orbital forms sigma bond, whereas this oxygen has got two lone pair of electrons. Bond angle is, you have seen, it is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle, which is due to repulsion between lone pair of electrons. Similar in phenols also. OH group here it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of aromatic ring. So carbon oxygen bond length in phenol is slightly less than that in methanol, which is due to number 1, partial double bond character, and number 2, sp2 hybridized state of carbon to which oxygen is attached. Let us see their chemical reactions now. Alcohols can react both as nucleophiles and as electrophiles. Let us see first how alcohol acts as a nucleophile. This is an alcohol with oxygen having two lone pair electrons. It can easily react with any strong electrophile because of the two lone pair of electrons. So these electrons can be transferred to electrophile like this. After that, so this is an onium intermediate, then H is removed from here by a base. So you can very well see here that here alcohol is acting as a nucleophile. This is an example. Alcohol with carbocation forms this type of product. Then alcohols as electrophile. As electrophile, alcohols behave in the form of protonated form. This is alcohol with HCl. This product can be formed. Here is the mechanism. Again, the lone pair of electrons take up this proton. So here it is, this molecule is acting as a nucleophile, but once this is protonated alcohol is formed, here it is being attached with a negative species. So this is acting as electrophile. So we can say alcohol can act both as electrophile as well as nucleophile. Then acidity of alcohols and phenols. Their acidic character can be well established by their reactions with metals. You can see the reaction with sodium metal, forming sodium alkoxide with removal of hydrogen, with aluminium, forming aluminium tertiary butoxide with removal of hydrogen. Similarly, phenol also reacts with sodium metal, forming sodium phenoxide with removal of hydrogen. All these reactions suggest that alcohols are acidic in nature. In fact, alcohols and phenols are Bronsted acid. Bronsted acid means they can donate a proton to a stronger base. You can see here, this is a base this base can take up this hydrogen, forming conjugate acid. Alcohols are, however, very weak Bronsted acids. If you see their pK values are in the range of 15 to 20. They are even less acidic than water. And why is the acidic character? It is due to the polar nature of OH group. Here we have compared the acidic strength of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols along with methyl alcohol. In primary alcohol, this is one methyl group. Role of methyl group is it releases electrons to the carbon, making OH bond electron rich, or we can say removal of H difficult. In methyl alcohol, there is no such alkyl group which could donate electron. In primary, one methyl group donating electron, making the OH bond electron rich. In secondary, two methyl groups are there, making the OH bond more electron rich. And in tertiary, three alkyl groups. So, it means removal of H in tertiary alcohol is the most difficult one. So, it is the weakest acid. Weak nature of alcohol can also be seen by this reaction. You can see this reaction. This is the RO negative ion from the alcohol along with acid. You can see here water is acting as a acid, means water is a better proton donor than alcohol. Here we also know that alkoxide ion, this is alkoxide ion, this is a better proton acceptor than hydroxide ion, which suggests that alkoxides are stronger bases than hydroxyl ions. Alcohols can act as Bronsted bases as well. How? Because it contains lone pair of electrons. It is capable of donating the lone pair of electrons. So these are proton acceptors. You can see the reaction over here. Thus, alcohols can function both as very weak acids as well as very weak bases. If we talk about phenols, hydroxyl group in phenol is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, which act as electron withdrawing group. Basically, benzene ring is electron withdrawing in nature. Due to this, charge distribution in phenol molecule causes the oxygen of OH group to be positive. You can see here, these are the 5 resonating structures of phenol. The lone pair of oxygen that is taken up by the benzene ring. The benzene ring being electron withdrawing in nature. So negative charge is delocalized over the benzene ring. It is coming over at ortho position, para position, again at ortho position. After removal of proton, we get phenoxide ion. Here negative charge of oxygen that is delocalized over the benzene ring like this. So we can say phenoxide ions are much better stabilized as compared to phenol, because in this case the negative charge is only localized to benzene ring, whereas in this case the negative charge of oxygen that goes inside the benzene ring. In case of phenol, you can see charge separation, due to which phenol molecule is less stable. So that's why we can say phenols are much more acidic than alcohols. So these are the 3 reactions for comparison. alcohol, water and phenol. So we can say phenols are most acidic, then water and then alcohols. Now for substituted alcohol. Presence of electron withdrawing group such as nitro increases the acidic nature. Moreover, the effect is more pronounced when such a group is present at ortho and para position due to effective delocalization of negative charge in phenoxide ion. On the other hand, electron releasing group decrease the acidic strength. You can compare here the acidic nature of different types of phenols from their pKa value. Greater the pKa value, weaker will be the acid. So this is cyclohexanol. You can see here phenol. This is methoxyphenol. So methoxyphenol is electron releasing in nature. So electron releasing group decreases the acidic strength. Cl, electron withdrawing. COCH3, again electron withdrawing. NO2, electron withdrawing. And if you compare the NO2 at para and meta position, you can say effect is more pronounced at para position. 2 nitro group, more acidic. With 3 nitro groups, furthermore acidic. So here is again the comparison. Orthonitrophenol pK value is 7.2, meta 8.3, para 7.1 and phenol is 10. With the help of this table also, you can compare the acidic character of phenol with other type of phenols. Nitrophenol, nitro is an electron withdrawing group, and in cresol, methyl group is electron releasing in nature. So from this data, you can note that phenol is million times more acidic than ethanol. Here the pK value of ethanol is also given. Thank you.